Check, testing. Let's go do some donuts. Okay, so we're going to do a quick video today. We're going to be working on the Chevelle, and I think what we're going to do today is we're going to do a little review on Champion radiators. So I was able to pick up these radiators. This is a 66 396 SS, and I picked up this radiator. It's all aluminum, and this is a fan shroud with dual fans. Pretty nicely though. So I'm assuming, because I didn't get directions, but I'm not the brightest person in the world, but I can figure out that I have to drill these pretty much right there, and then I could get some bolts and I can mount them in, and then that, I assume, is just going to bolt right onto that. So let's see. It's going to go that way. That is the top. Oh, my wire's probably going up. I don't know, it'd be kind of cool if they would give us the connectors for those. I'm going to have to dig around in the boxes. It was kind of a bummer that they didn't. Also, you know, it kind of would have been kind of nice if they had pre-drilled these for me. You know, you order it with the fan and all that stuff, you would think that it would be set up and ready to go. So what we got to do now, because we don't need it, is take off this clutch fan. So this clutch fan is designed to spin when the engine's running, and as it spins, it locks up inside and it cools down your car. And we're not going to need it anymore because we're going with electric fans. So we just got to take these out. So this is my secret weapon. Don't tell anybody these exist. So we'll make sure it's not hitting anything back there. I guess we'll find out when we start the car. We'll either bend the heck out of the pulley or we'll break the water pump. See, now we got plenty of room to put the fan in the fan shroud. Let's see how it fits. Well, we got to push that up first. And just like that, it's all put together. Everything's bolted on, we're bolted to the radiator. So we will now pick it up and carry it over to the radiator. If you wouldn't mind, would you hand me one of those?
Something leaking.
Yeah, it's just from testing.
Here's what I was trying to tell you. These are that segments and this is crooked. The hose is not quite match up for some reason.
I'm not real thrilled I didn't get the fittings for it, but oh well. So we'll go ahead and get those fittings and get this thing wired up. I got to find a spot to put the sending unit. We'll put some water in it and test it.